Hi everyone, welcome back. You may be asking how you can restore deleted audios in Canva. So the quick answer is no, you can't. Because let's say this is our video. If you click on upload audio, click on upload files, and let's upload this one, for example. Let's add it to our project. This is our audio. You can delete it from here, but you can from here. Click on the three dot, then click on delete. But it doesn't say move it to trash, like in videos or in images. For example, if you click here, you will see move to trash, but it's not the same case for the audio. If we click on the three dot and click on delete, like that, and we go to home, the home page, scroll down, go to trash, you will not find an audio section. You will find designs, images, and videos, as you can see. So don't waste your time. Until today, you can't restore audios in Canva. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.